Welcome! On behalf of the Northeast Texas Pathways Initiative at Workforce Solutions Northeast Texas, thank you for joining us. Today, we'll be talking about work-based learning, or WBL, and how students and job seekers can take full advantage of these valuable learning opportunities. Work-based learning is a powerful tool that helps bridge the gap between academic learning and real-world work experience. By providing hands-on learning opportunities, WBL offers significant benefits to both employers and employees. It helps create a more skilled, prepared workforce while also meeting the workforce needs of companies. What is work-based learning? Successful work-based learning programs have a few key characteristics. Alignment to career pathways. The program should connect directly to clear career pathways, allowing students to understand how their work experience aligns with future job opportunities. Skill development. It identifies and validates the skills participants will gain during the experience. Academic progress. WBL programs support academic achievement by integrating learning objectives that match what you're learning in the classroom. Measuring progress. Both the employer and participant should regularly track progress throughout the program. Meaningful work. The tasks and projects assigned should be purposeful and relevant to the career you are pursuing. Compensation and rewards. Work-based learning programs should reward participants for their contributions. While compensation is a common form of reward, it is not the only one. Students and job seekers can also benefit from the intangible rewards of building a professional network, gaining mentorship, and developing industry connections that can lead to future career opportunities. Regardless of the specific form of reward, recognizing the value that students bring to their work placements enhances their learning experience and motivates them to fully engage in the program. By applying these principles, you can make the most of your work-based learning experience and better prepare yourself for your career. The roadmap to your work-based learning experience includes the following stops: understanding work-based learning, self-assessment and goal setting, researching opportunities, preparing your application, the application process, maximizing your work-based learning experience, reflecting and moving forward, what you need to know as a worker with a disability, understanding work-based learning. To start, let's go over the types of work-based learning programs that you might encounter. Internships. These are short-term work experiences related to your field of study. Apprenticeships. These programs combine on-the-job training with classroom instruction. Job shadowing. This involves observing professionals in their work environment to gain insight. Cooperative education. Co-ops. These are programs that alternate periods of academic study and work experience. Project-based learning. These are real-world projects provided by employers to solve actual business problems. These are just a few examples, but remain open to exploring other possibilities. Self-assessment and goal setting. Before you begin your work-based learning experience, take the time for self-assessment and goal setting. Identify interests and strengths. Reflect on your academic interests, skills, and career aspirations. Use career assessment tools to explore potential fields and roles. Set clear goals. Determine what you hope to achieve through the WBL opportunity, whether it's gaining specific skills, industry experience, or making professional connections. Set both short-term and long-term career goals to guide your path. Researching opportunities. To find the right WBL opportunity, use multiple resources. Online resources. Use job search engines, company websites, and professional networks like LinkedIn to find open positions. Explore online platforms dedicated to internships and apprenticeships. School resources. Visit your school's Career Services Office for guidance and support. Attend career fairs, workshops, and networking events organized by your school. Networking. Connect with professors, alumni, and industry professionals. Join relevant student organizations and professional associations to build relationships and uncover opportunities. Preparing your application. When preparing your application, make sure you put your best foot forward. Resume and cover letter. Tailor your resume to highlight relevant skills, coursework, and experiences. Write a compelling cover letter that explains your interest in the position and how you can contribute. Portfolio. Create a portfolio showcasing your work, projects, and achievements. Include samples relevant to the industry you're targeting. References. Request recommendations from professors, previous employers, or mentors who can speak to your skills and work ethic. Application process. Now, let's talk about the application process itself. Job search. Apply to multiple positions to increase your chances of success. Keep track of deadlines and application requirements. Interview preparation. Research the company and understand its culture, products, and services. Practice common interview questions and prepare thoughtful responses. Always dress professionally and arrive early. Follow-up. After the interview, send a thank you email expressing appreciation and reiterating your interest in the role. Maximizing the WBL experience. Once you've secured a WBL opportunity, it's important to make the most of it. Onboarding and orientation. Attend any orientation sessions to familiarize yourself with the company policies, procedures, and your colleagues. Set expectations. Clarify your role and responsibilities with your supervisor. Establish clear goals and objectives for your experience. Active engagement. Take initiative. Seek out opportunities to learn and contribute. Ask questions, seek feedback, and be open to new experiences. Skill development. Focus on developing both technical and soft skills. Participate in any training sessions, workshops, and other learning opportunities. Networking. Build relationships with colleagues, mentors, and other professionals. Attend company events, meetings, and networking functions to expand your connections. Reflecting and moving forward. After your WBL experience, take time to reflect on what you've learned and how to move forward. Regularly assess your progress and seek feedback from your supervisor to improve and align your goals with your career path. Keep records of your projects, accomplishments, and any feedback received. Update your resume and LinkedIn profile with this new experience. Use your WBL experience to refine your career goals. Consider next steps like further WBL opportunities, additional education, or entering the job market. What you need to know as a worker with a disability. Now, let's talk about key considerations for students with disabilities participating in work-based learning. Understand your rights and responsibilities. Be aware of your rights under the Americans with Disabilities Act, ADA, and other relevant laws. Understand your responsibilities, such as adhering to company policies and maintaining professional behavior. Communicate effectively. Be sure to ask questions if you're unclear on something. Practice self-advocacy and communicate your needs for accommodations to your employer clearly and respectfully. Practice active listening skills to understand instructions and feedback. Work on time management, problem solving, and teamwork skills. Learn to maintain professionalism at all times, from dress to behavior. Take advantage of job coaches and support services provided by your school to help you succeed in the workplace. Ask for feedback from supervisors and mentors regularly to help improve your performance. Set clear, realistic goals for your WBL experience and track your progress toward meeting them. In conclusion, engaging in work-based learning offers a transformative opportunity to develop the skills, knowledge, and connections essential for a successful career. By following this guide, you'll be equipped to identify and fully leverage WBL opportunities, building a strong foundation for your professional future.